Hi, hope you're having a good day. I suppose that if you're here, you're probably wondering about the Ocuprime Vision Support Formula. Well, my name is Isabella and I'm here to help you with all your doubts. So, watch this video until the end to get all the information you need before purchasing this product. To begin with, I would like to inform you that Ocuprime is only sold on its official website. Any other sites that offer the product are not reliable, so I strongly suggest that you make your purchase through the official site, which by the way I will leave the link below in the description of this video. Well, what is Ocuprime and what is it for? Does it really work? It is a 100% natural formula dietary supplement designed to help you achieve and maintain healthy eyesight. It can be taken by people who are visually impaired as well as those who simply want to improve their already perfect vision. Using a proprietary anti-aging blend and antioxidant herbs, Ocuprime can reduce inflammation in different places in the body and even improve the condition of the liver. The makers of Ocuprime claim that their formula can repair and reverse cell and tissue damage, helping to prevent future inflammation by supporting your brain, eyes, and many other tissues and organs. Most of the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds in Ocuprime that benefit the eyes also benefit the brain. The formula increases the secretion and performance of organic substances necessary to create neurotransmitters, thus increasing communicative efficiency between the eyes, the visual cortex and the rest of the brain. As a result, Ocuprime elevates serotonin secretion, which improves mood and reduces cortisol, which is responsible for the stress level. This gives you an overall sense of health and well-being when you use Ocuprime. Here are some of the effects you can expect after using Ocuprime, according to the official sales page. Fully improves and restores vision. Protects eyes from UV rays, blue light and other damage. Protects eyes from macular degeneration. Detoxifies the body of free radicals, toxins and others. Increases the eye's anti-inflammatory response. Optimizes night vision. Improve blood and oxygen circulation. Combining the high quality of the natural ingredients used in the manufacture of the Ocuprime supplement and the correct way to use it, it will be very difficult for you not to have the expected results. With that in mind, what is the best way to take Ocuprime pills? Take one veggie capsule twice daily, but for best results, take 20 to 30 minutes before a meal. After all this information, you should be asking if there are any side effects when taking this supplement. According to the manufacturers and the official website of sales, Ocuprime is 100% safe, made with natural ingredients. For this reason it does not cause side effects in your body. And I have one more important thing to tell you. Ocuprime's supplement for healthy vision support has a 60-day warranty. That is, if you're not totally satisfied with the product, you are guaranteed full refund. So, thank you for watching until the end. Hope I helped you in some way with this video. And don't forget that if you want to access the official website of Ocuprime, the link will be in the description of this video.